face. See? You take all of the bump name. So you see if the remedy work, you gonna make a video now. Video now. Video now. I'm gonna make a video now. What? I'm gonna say it again.
I know y'all hurt.
You make it time with them see it, you know.
No man, take care of. No, man, nobody see me.
What's up guys, what's popping, what's not stopping? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today guys, I want to know do me a favor before you even watch the video. I want to pause the video, go over to Dre and Trish, subscribe to their YouTube channel guys, to them page here. Subscribe and tell them say hashtag Team Shawna sending us. So I just want to go over there, do that for me real quick and then come back, finish watch the video here. Okay. Hey guys, what's popping, what's not stopping? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do a video on a been a request ever since I post the live ever since I post the video say how to make money on YouTube. Everybody asked me in my comments in my Instagram and I'm a picture them this and that how to start a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show now how to start a YouTube channel on a broke girl budget. Okay, so if you don't want to see that video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, then I post notifications every time I post a video. You'll be the first to get notified. Follow from my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Before we jump into the video guys, next thing I want to shout out to everybody who saw me yesterday, and all them supporters them see me yesterday and called to me. For the one who never called to me want to see me, but in the text on Instagram say I did afraid, no need to be afraid or nervous guys. See him some bit on YouTube on camera, I see him some in a real life, so no need to be afraid. If you don't see me I want to call to me, call to me. If you don't want to take picture like somebody said they want to take it but then they never ask me, I'm going to take it with them the same way. I left me look ugly on that day there. Well, I might not take it that day, let me feel ugly, but if you don't want it, you can't ask for it. If you don't want to call to me, don't afraid to call to me because I'm not going to back off and stuff like that. But anyways, get that out of the way. So yeah, shout out to all them supporters anyway. Call to me yesterday. So, how to start a YouTube channel guys. First of all, when me did just a start, as I said, I never did have nobody to really guide me. Me did just get motivated and want to do it and something. That I first channel before you get disabled. So I didn't think you need like a big camera, big lighting, big this, big that, because if you watch some of the big YouTubers them have good quality camera, good quality video, this and that. So me didn't think you need all of that. So me take up my money, go on Amazon, buy one camera for $200 US. Say alright, me need one camera. Me need one lighting, one tripod and all of them something. Take up my money, go buy one big big camera now. When I buy the camera come. I know I'm not use the camera. If I have my camera there right now, I don't know where there. It zoom all up in your face. It now video something them good. You can't hear nothing, you can't this, you can't that. So you know all of that the $200 US they gone down your drain. So you don't need a big camera, you don't need a big lighting, you don't just a start, you just need a phone. Because right now I talk to you a phone, I have video pan. You just need a phone, whether Android or iPhone. Any phone and just need a phone. If phone have camera and the phone have flash. And have bulb in the room when you can use that. So only thing you need is a phone. Do videos like when sun out, so you get natural lighting, because the natural lighting that do a lot for your video. The flash will take away some of the things there from the video, while the natural lighting will just get everything. So you just need a phone, good lighting, and good video ideas. You have to know where you want to talk, but you have to know what you want to do in order to do it. You can't just come on camera, your mind no makeup, you don't know where you want to one standard. Nobody not going to subscribe to you because they're going to say you're confused and things like that. So you have to know what to do. You have to know what to do for draw in your subscriber them. Right? So your phone, a good lighting, and the topic where you want to do. Right? So you have to also promote your YouTube channel. You can't just make a YouTube channel and think to everybody can come subscribe to you. You have to promote it on your Instagram. If yes, so all your social media them, you have to promote it on it. And if you have friends, beg a friend them, if you do sometime and everybody wants to see you when say a friend them not gonna do it for you, then prefer to draw you down. But you have to know how to rise above that, step above that, know where you want. Because if me listen to some people when I call my friend, more do they wish for me there right now. Would have been stopped already. So you have to surround yourself with positive people. You're not gonna have them positive until certain time come when you want to do certain things, and then you start get the side eye. You get me? I say so. You have to know who are a friend, who can motivate you, who did the phone, who this, who that. So that's one thing. Next thing, guys, when you have video, you have to set the phone landscape. You can't set it vertical or as a video. When you make the video and put it up, your video gonna stay a long way like this, and you got black on the two sides. Nobody not go and watch it. Turn your phone landscape like this and video it. Yeah, if you on your phone now, when you press the center something right here, so should have made the phone for sure, you know, but when you press it, you can lock the screen lock on the phone. Hold on. Yeah, as me I say now, don't video like this, video like this. Landscape. So when the video come out, it full and cover all of the screen. So next thing me I say now, when you go in a camera, what camera then? See there? When you go in a camera, something upon it like this. Ooh. Hold on. Let me see. When you go on a camera again, and you turn the camera on the screen lock it. So like press down on the screen, so the lock come up, then it locks, so you know it don't move nowhere. So you just focus by your face. Screen lock it, and if it's too dark, you know, say when you screen lock it, the light bulb will come over the side, so you just turn it up like a, don't turn it up too bright or else it'll go white, nobody not gonna see you. So that's one tip. Next thing, make sure say your mic turn up. Make sure say your mic turn up so everything you say everybody can hear you. Okay, so when you do all of that, you have your phone and your lighting and this and that, you need 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. Dirty neighbor. So 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. The what when you reach 1,000 subscribers, YouTube or Google are gonna tell you congrats and reach 1,000 subscribers. But before you reach 1,000 subscribers, the first thing Google gonna say to you, when you reach 100 subscribers, they're gonna tell you congrats, you just reach 100 subscribers, whatever. So when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you can request to them once your channel good and everything. You know, get disabled or not, you can request to them. Say you want to monetize your channel, thing like that. When you reach monetization part, no, this is the part where you need a laptop. Okay, you have to have a laptop for putting the ads then. Okay? You can't have your phone in, but you can't put in as many ads. Because on your phone you only can turn on monetization. When you turn on monetization, just one ad in a different part of your video. When your laptop now, you insert any amount of ads you want. Once your video pass 10 minutes, or 10 minutes and longer, you put in any amount of ads you want. Don't abuse the system and put in like, if you have a 10-minute video, don't put in 15 ads in there. Now go work out. YouTube can take with some. So you can't abuse the system. So what else must I want to talk to you about? Oh, and next thing, you have to build yourself. You have to build yourself. You can't company and pretend to be somebody or not. You have to build yourself. When me just started on my old channel, I come and me speak proper. I say, alright then, you're going to get supporters from all over the world. You have to talk proper for they know where you're talking. I say, yeah, you have to go and chat bad or something, you know, but you know what I mean? You're not have to twang. You're not have to, oh, hi, my name is this, my name is that. No, what's up, guy? My name this, my name that, my name that. People are going to love you for who you really be and not who you pretend to be. Because when me just start, you know, guys, me did a wear contact lens and brown contact lens, but I speak proper and I do makeup. Because I never know more day, so I do makeup. I never good for makeup. But me just do makeup and things like that. I say, alright, I go start. So then I say, you know what? Makeup I don't really my thing. I do it, but I don't really my thing for like do YouTube. I know so I'm goofy. My friendly and this and that, so I go be really me. I go be the true me and stuff. Pretend I see from that, guys, my subscribers just start go up because people really see who you is now. So your subscribers start go, so just be yourself, be funny, and just be, you know, just be yourself. That's the #1 key. Be yourself. People are gonna subscribe to you for any type of energy where you get. Just be yourself. Next thing, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. Well, some people them just put out 5 videos and get monetized. Because what? People want to see that. You see when you're single, let me say single, I don't mean like Well, I mean like that. When there's a single channel, like you alone, it's harder for you grow than a couple's channel. So you have to really be determined. You have to say, yo, at this I want to do. You get what I say? Be determined and really say, yo, I want to be a YouTuber no matter this I go do. Because when you're single, it take longer for you grow than when there's a couple channel. When there's a couple channel, you blow up in a no time because everybody want in on the business. But but I true. So be determined. Motivate yourself if you don't have nobody to motivate you. Motivate yourself so when you make it, nobody can say, oh, I'm ready to do this, I'm ready to do that. Do it yourself. Motivate yourself. So all your reward, and you get it for yourself. Nobody can say, oh, me did do this for you, me did do that. Do it yourself. Sometimes you have to do things for your own. For when you accomplish something, you feel good for say, yeah, me did motivate myself and me did do that, me did do that. So motivate yourself, be determined, get your phone, get your good lighting. If you have a tripod, that's good to say you can put the phone in the tripod and put it anywhere you want to put it so you have a good balance. If you don't have a tripod, use a long time. When you have selfie stick or whatever, when selfie stick you come out on the most, you know the top part of the selfie stick, I got the phone got in, I got it on the tripod. I got my phone in right now. So if you have a selfie stick, you get it, you put it in there. Selfie stick not got enough hole, so you just get some sand in one half a buckle, throw it down in there, stick the selfie stick down in there, put it on one chair or whatever till you reach your height. You can do a video. You don't have to go to buy no dear selfie stick, no dear this, no dear that, or no dear tripod, no dear this. When you have some money now, then you can go buy the tripod. Because it's a tripod me I use now. But I just tell you, overstart a YouTube channel on a broke girl budget. So that basically be determined, be yourself, motivate yourself, be consistent, share your channel and things like that. You don't have to come on YouTube full up in a bag of makeup. Whoa, Uncle Sherm! You ruined my YouTube video pass. I forgot to cut it.
How are this?
You make it time with them see you know.
No, man, take care. No, I'm not nobody see me.
That's how no need a bag of things. Simple thing does it. Broke girl budget do it. When you start make money on YouTube now, then you can upgrade to a camera, an iPhone, a tripod or whatever. Just start out with what you have. If me did start out with my phone, after me buy the camera and it now work, me I realize say, yo, my Samsung woman have could have video it. I would have that the 200 USD right now. That the 200 USD right now. So you don't need fear start with and think say you need a big camera and a big this. Start with what you have. Just start with what you have. Start something, then when you reach somewhere you can upgrade. Okay? So I just do that. That video is not long or no. I just make that video here because I whole heap of requests in my DM to say how to start it. And I'm going to tell you no because I want to say everybody win. You get me? I say YouTube is a big community. Everybody can make it on YouTube. Everybody. You don't have to bad mind nobody, tear down nobody or whatever. Everybody can make it. If you know your facts, you know your truth and whatever, do it. Do what you want to do. Do your video and everything. People are going to hate you. People are going to love you. People are going to rate you. You just have to do it. No matter if you do it and you see 10 negative comments, you're going to say, oh, me I go stop, me I go give up. Don't stop. I don't want you do. Do not stop. If you see 10 negative comments, guys, just best believe say a positive one them outnumber that. Okay? A positive one them outnumber that. So no about that, and if you see some dislike, the likes outnumber that. People are going to dislike you because them can't be like you. You get what I say? They might just do that for bring you down, but make the negativity and the hate motivate you. Make that be a motivation. Okay? People just are hate funny because they're afraid to do what you are do. They're not bold enough to do what you are do. The amount of people me have to block. No amount of people me block. Even going on my laptop right now, I have to run the screen, I can see. I block over 100 people. Not because them dislike your video, because them dislike it because of the negative comments, and some other negative comments. I say I can't anger negative comments because I can. But some of them will just way past it. Some of them racist, some of them this, some of them that. So I'm just saying, no, I'm not going to give you my time and energy and argue with them, I'm just going to block you. I'm just going to block you. So if you have to go through and block people, you go through and block people and still do what you want to do. At the end of the day, them are going to find other stores to come watch you know, because them just did their hate. So if people are hate for you, thank them for your hate. Make that be motivation. If nobody not hate, that means I do nothing good. You get what I say? So that's just a little short video, guys. I want to touch upon all on the point them want to ask me. And that's that. So subscribe, And follow me on my Instagram like I said before. And yeah, we out. You know, wanna see my face? See my face look? Guys, me use a remedy for my face. See? If you take all of the bump name, so you see if the remedy work, go make a video now. Video now. Video now. I'm gonna make a video now. What? I'm gonna say it again. Video. Chop. Me I gonna make a video guys and tell you what me use. So if you don't want to see that video then if my face workouts and take all the little black spot them and most of the black spot them and whatever, me I gonna tell you what me use and then I gonna believe them all natural. Not on the enhanced. Anyways, later.